it's me and it's morning time, and I got a surprise. And it's a YouTuber. Her channel name is Foxy Turtle, and ta-da!
No, it's not named Foxy Swirl.
What is your name again?
It's Kitty Swirl.
Oh yeah, Kitty Swirl. Now, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
So, we don't know what to do right now, so yeah. Let's think. Dun, 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 dun. But that was so shiny in there. Let's just go to a room that's not shiny. Done. Why don't we
Play slime.
slime? So, I have slime, and we're going to show you all of them.
These are not really
And we're
slime.
going to play Dig the Slime. So we're going to hide something in slime, and we have to look for it.
Can I go first?
Yeah. So Nallie's going to hide something in this slime, and I'm going to look for it, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna do this blue one first. And I'm hiding this one. Okay, let me hide it. Smush, smush, smush. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Hold on, just do something. Okay, next one. Ready? I'm gonna do a green one. And we're gonna smoosh. I'm gonna put an iPad in here. And smoosh, smoosh, smoosh. And this is the green one. Okay. Miley, you can record now.
Okay, guys. So she just showed you what she's doing. Now you're with me. Oh, it's kind of too sunny. Oh, much better here. I'm so sorry the shine. Like in most of my videos, the shines. Oh yeah, let me see. Look for it.
I kind of pranked you.
Oh, she kind of pranked me.
But you're not done yet.
Oh my god. She was like, I guess the prank was, she wasn't done. So that was a prank. Because she just, no, I'm not done yet. So yeah. Oh, now she's done. Okay. Let me just.
What color? Just pick one. And I'm going to play.
I think I'm going to look for this
I
one.
pranked you, Miley.
Oh, she got nothing. I knew that was going to be the prank. Okay, whatever. Let me just get that. Orange. Oh, if it was something.
You can't find it, though.
What's in here? Well,
There's actually maybe nothing. There's actually maybe nothing.
Oh, there's nothing in here. She banged me again.
Did you know you accidentally put this in? I actually hide it.
She hid this in the blue one. Oh my god. Okay, Mom, I'm coming. Wait. And oh, I threw something.
It's an iPad.
iPad. Barbie doll
The
iPad.
purple one.
The purple one.
I hide a plant in there. I hide a plant in there.
Oh, I can't find it.
I hide a plant in there.
I pranked you! What? She pranked me. She said she had a plan. Now it's Nallie's turn, and yeah.
Okay.
Let me hide something real quick.
La la la. I'm gonna shine it. Okay, now we're gonna wait for Miley. Oh, that was so fast. I know there's nothing.
So I did a prank too. So there's like some stuff.
I know there's nothing inside. There's nothing anywhere. No, show it. And I got this one.
Okay, next one.
Yeah,
It was so fast, so I kind of got a big one. Next one. It was
An
so fast
iPad.
as we have to leave. An iPad. Okay, ready for
There's
this?
nothing in here.
Next one.
Okay. I knew it because there's only two.
Next
spots.
one.
There's nothing.